Hey everyone, Zain is here, and today I'm going to show you how to get a high score on Block Blasts. Now first, before I discuss exactly how you can get high score, you should know some basic things in the game. Now here as you can see, when you add any shape, you will get a score with the same number of blocks in this shape. So here in my case, I have added a shape with 3 and a shape with 4 blocks. So I have now 7 score. But if you completed one row, as you can see, you will get 10 points. So here in my case, I have completed 2 at once, and you have the 4 blocks. So now we have 20 plus 4 equal 24 plus the 7. So now we have 31. And now another thing is that when you make a combo, this means that within 3 moves only, you complete one more row or one more line, you get a combo multiplier by x2, x3, x4, and so on. So the more combos you get, the more score you will have. But put into consideration that you should make the combo within the upcoming 3 shapes. So if you have put 3 shapes and you didn't complete a line, then you put a 4th shape that will complete a line or a row. This will actually not make a combo, but it will give you just the 10 score of the completed column or row. So make sure to make use of this point and try to open yourself some spaces in order to make combos. So try to be a playmaker and give yourself some space to make more combos in a row. And when you lose the game, you can simply choose to watch an ad in order to continue playing the same game. And this is actually another method that you can use in order to get more score. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.